So just want to talk a little bit about. I'm excited. I'm so excited about going to Arizona. Sarah and I have been doing this for about 4 or 5 years. 2020, and it's about to be 2025. Well, 2021, I guess. Day one of 2021 to 2025. So 4 years. We're about to finish up 4 years of being on the road. And both of us are from Seattle, Washington, born and raised. I have a ton of pride about being from Seattle. I love Seattle. I wouldn't have wanted to grow up in any other city. But that Seattle is sort of vanishing. But the Seattle, I grew up in Washington, and it's all hills and mountains and trees. And so you don't get a big sky. The sunsets, you can get pretty sunsets sometimes, but depending on where you are, it's not obscured by trees and mountains and hills. And I had never seen a real cactus, like a big cactus in the wild, before we started doing this drive. Before we started full-timing, I'd never seen a big cactus in the wild before. I'd never been to Arizona. And so it was just such nothing I'd ever seen being in the desert. And also I'm a huge movie fan, and I am a huge fan of Westerns. So I fantasize about the desert when I was younger, and now even. And also, it's just looks so cinematic to me, the desert. And you can just see forever. It's just amazing to me. And I would venture to bet that people who grew up in deserts are amazed by mountains and trees. You know, I think it's just it's just stuff I've never seen before. And every year now that we've been full-timing, I have looked forward to winter and getting back to Arizona. We've gone a lot of great places in the summer, from Colorado to Idaho, North Carolina, Tennessee. We've been to Washington, California, all over in the summer. And we've seen some great places, great rivers, mountains, awe-inspiring places. But to me, they don't beat the desert. The desert in the winter is just great to me. So I'm really looking forward to getting back to Arizona, my new favorite state. Now, I'm still going to root for the Seahawks and all the Seattle teams, the Huskies, the Mariners, the Mighty Hawks. But, as far as the landscape in Arizona, that's my favorite landscape, So I'm really looking forward to that. And again, I'm going to be looking for work. I am already looking for work in Quartzsite for the winter season. So if anyone knows of any available jobs, or they have any available work, please let me know. I'm a hard worker. I'm on time. I worked for UPS for decades, managing warehouse ops, delivering for UPS, working in the trucks, loading, unloading, running all the different warehouse areas. So I have experience managing people. I have experience going out and doing things on my own. I have experience with a fast-paced job. So if anyone has a job or know of any, please comment, email me. And while I'm on the subject, if anyone knows of any full-time, year-round remote jobs, I'm also looking for that. I've got a computer, great internet connection, and I already got a spot picked out, a boondocking spot, so I'm excited for that. We'll just stay one night, and we'll leave early in the morning tomorrow and get to Phoenix for Sarah's job. So yeah, talk to y'all later. Bye. Okay, hello. Mic check, check. Lights on. Okay. So I just turned off the highway to look for boondocking. First Arizona boondocking of the season. Very exciting. Never been to this one. Whew, it's got a very washboardy road. But that's okay. I'm going slow, taking my time. Yeah, never been to this one. I'm excited to see what kind of camping might be out here. Oh boy, this road splits. Oh dear. Someone put stuff right in the middle there. Okay. Oh, that was a dead cow. There's the remains of a dead cow there. Wow. Okay. Alright. Looked like someone put a bunch of wood or something in the middle of the dirt road there, but it was actually a cow skeleton. Okay. I see remnants of camps, little camps, but I don't see anyone out here camping, which is fine, I guess. I just found this spot on iOverlander. Beautiful. It really is beautiful. About 3 hours from Phoenix. I'll put in the little town that it's near. I've never been through that town, I don't think. it is a super cool town. It had so many old signs and businesses. It was really freaking cool. Oh dear. Some tall rocks here. I should be able. Okay. A lot of trail, not a lot of spaces. It goes pretty far. I kind of just want to stop. Okay. Here we are. First of the season, Arizona camping spot. Down a really rough road here, but cell tower. You can see, I forget what highway that is over there. You can see that. But yeah, no one else around. And I'm going to get ready. Let Pam run around maybe. All right, bye. First spot in Arizona for the season.